That is not the look I am going for, guys. Have you ever had a project that just has not gone as you had planned? Well, that is how this project went for me. See these really adorable jack-o'-lanterns from the Pottery Barn? That's the look I was going for, and it did not go as planned. If you're new here, my name is Dawn with Dawn Renee's Designs. I'm so excited that you're here today to kind of follow along on this fail, which I think turned out really good. But let's see what happened. So I basically just had those 3 paints. I mixed them together because I really wanted a nice dark base. So in my mind, I had an exact plan of how I was going to achieve that look from the Pottery Barn. And I got these 3 cute ceramic pumpkins from Michael's, and I was kind of using them as my test to make sure that I got the look before I actually did the look on my big pumpkin, which I also got from Michael's, and that one is also ceramic. So the thought is that I'm going to have a really nice dark base, and then I'm going to do a whitewash on it, and then to finish up to kind of give that lighter, darker color, I am going to, see that? Isn't it adorable? But anyways, after doing that whitewash, I was going to do some dry brushing to get kind of that lighter, darker look. So here I am just putting on my nice dark Terra Cotta color that I kind of came up with. Thought it'd be easier to paint all of those cutouts first. This pumpkin is really coming together. It's really so adorable. And there they are after I put on 2 coats. I did put 2 coats of that paint on. I have some white Waverly paint that I also got from Walmart that I'm planning on doing that whitewash like I talked about. So I'm going to start off with my pumpkin just to make sure that I have my look right before I go in with my big jack-o'-lantern. So I'm just taking some of that white paint, adding some water to it. I really want it to be watered down. And then I'm just going over this whole pumpkin, and I'm immediately thinking, ooh, this is not quite looking right. But you know how it is. You've already started, so you just have to keep going, and maybe the vision will come together. I took a paper towel, just wiping all of that white back. And it's cute, like this pumpkin is cute, but it's not the look that I was hoping for. You can see me looking at it going, So here I am with the second pumpkin, and I'm like, yeah, no, I'm gonna try something different this time. And for some reason I thought just putting it on with the paper towel was somehow going to make it better, but it didn't. So again, just kind of wiping it on. I think I thought that by wiping it on, I would somehow have more control over how much paint was getting on there. So that one didn't go quite as planned. So I have a third pumpkin. At this point, I'm thinking, okay, I'm just gonna try dry brushing. See if I can achieve my look dry brushing. So taking some paint, blotting as much paint as I can off onto my paper towel, and then just dry brushing it on. And I can immediately tell this is just not the look I'm going for. Okay, so here at this point, I'm like, I just don't know how I'm gonna possibly make this happen. I'm looking at these pumpkins going, okay, what do I do next? And so I was like, God, please help me figure this out. And yes, God does care absolutely about everything, including crafts. So I decided that I was going to go a different route, and I needed the pumpkin now to be a little bit lighter. So I'm just mixing paint just to get a little bit lighter color going on here. I had heard I think I saw a video from TikTok. I'm not actually on TikTok, but I saw this video somewhere where they use this flower method. So basically what I'm going to do is paint the jack-o'-lantern this lighter color because I just know this dark color isn't going to work anymore. So going in with a lighter color, repainting. I am already liking this with this lighter color on it. I don't know, it's just looking so much better to me already. And here I go in with the flower. This is just regular flower. I don't know what I'm doing at this point, quite honestly, but just trying to see what I can make happen. Brushing some of it off. And it's still, I didn't wait long enough. It was too tacky at this point, and you can see I have it on the brush. So I'm like, yeah, that didn't work. So go back in with more flour. I have never used flour before, ever, in painting. I don't know who came up with this, but it's pretty fun. I am just dousing that thing with as much flour as I possibly can. As you can see, it's super messy. And what I did after I completely doused it in flour is I took it over the trash can, which I didn't show a picture of it over my trash can. I figured you probably didn't really want to see that. And I just rubbed off the excess and kind of patted it in, but did more rubbing off of it. And look at it. Look at how cute it is. I think it turned out very adorable. So just to remember that if you have those projects that are going sideways, you're not really sure what to do, definitely keep trying, keep working at it, say a prayer, ask for guidance, and here's how it turned out. And I think it looks so good with the rest of my decor. How cute is that? So I have some items here in my Etsy shop that I just wanted to show you. This is a reclaimed pumpkin, perfect for now and Thanksgiving, made from reclaimed wood and metal. This guy is so fun. His teeth are like going all different ways. Again, made out of reclaimed wood. This guy also is made out of reclaimed wood and metal, and his hair is metal. And then of course I have my candles. If this has inspired you, I just hope that you will like it, subscribe, and comment. It just makes my day. Thanks, guys. I'll see you next week.